Professor Agarwal, luxury watches, what happens? Because it has the word luxury, what does that mean?
Again, to be clear here, there is no difference in watches. So it's an 18% flat, whether you're buying a very expensive watch or you're buying a cheaper watch. It has nothing to do. It's all wrist watches which are there, which are considered here. So it is not a question whether you're buying a 1 crore rupee watch or 50 lakh watch. It's all the same. So there is no difference which has come in the watches segment.
So everyone who was looking out to buy a dream watch, now may be the right time?
Yes, but then given the fact that what we saw with textiles, wherein 2500 and below is gone cheaper, but 2500 and above has gone expensive. Now this is a very brink, because most of the products in terms of textiles are within the range of 2,500 to 5,000 rupees. So they are becoming more expensive. Fortunately, at least in watches, there is no expensivity which has gone up. So the level has remained the same. And normally a watch is a product, unless for a very rich or a super rich or a very high-end segment, normally people buy 1 or 2 watches.
You don't spend.
Women is different when they have to buy a watch with a dress, but even they constrain it to about 3 or 4 watches as a max. It's only the very super rich who buy watches of 50 lakhs, 10 lakhs, 50 crores kind of watches, which they are buying a full set of Almirah. They have a wardrobe of 10, 15, 20 watches. Now for them, it didn't make a difference also whether it went up or went down. So it's for the common man, at least there is a clear relief, but there is no impact.
No, I will say it is for the common man. Men seem to shop more than women nowadays, sir.
At least in watches, yes.
See, I got you to admit that much. But let's move on. Let's get a look at some other stores and what you should be buying right now.